everything is lagging though. Everything is lagging. I actually saw a countdown, and everything is lagging. I don't see. Ah!
I mean, I'm in now.
Yes, look it up, man. Yeah.
Let's see about.
What is that? Damn, they're kicking our ass. We got a UAV. Look at your map.
Camping big, got him in the corner. They're going upstairs. I see one guy go upstairs. I'm going. Got him. Finish move. Bam! Finish moved him upstairs. Oh! He's upstairs. Another one's upstairs.
Got a jet.
Fuck, I got a care package too. I'm gonna take out that jet. Oh man, I switched out my heavy duty shit for a shield. I'm gonna do UAV.
Jet's down.
Somebody else is gonna have to take care of the jets, cause I don't got my heavy weapon no more.
I got
Right there in front of you, blue guy. I got a care package. Anybody wants to take a gander back here with me? I'm gonna release it.
Oh, get the fuck out of here with that shotgun.
I'm releasing it. Hey, stay here with Miko Story. I'm releasing it right behind you. As soon as it drops, you can take off. Alright, take off. You're good.
Alright.
Oh, I got a say. What's a say do? Dropping bombs right in the middle.
They got another jet.
Man, I got nothing for that jet. Oh, here it is. Got a rocket launcher.
Jet's down.
Alright.
Fuck, dude, that put them
killing, man.
That gave them such a boost though. That fucking these jets.
They're right in the middle. They're right in the middle. Whole groups of them.
I killed him. There was two of them though.
Get him. Two. You got him?
Go. I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a.
I'm gonna be there in a minute.
Fuck.
Got the guy.
Yeah, I got two upstairs.
Got two in the middle. We just need the tags.
Yeah. I got another care package.
They're in the middle. I got my tag, but there's another one.
Fuck, almost got a fucking jet.
Throwing tear gas, full story.
Mad. I'm doing another care package back here.
Oh my god, dude, they're camping the middle.
Let them camp the middle. Let them camp in the middle. Come on, you fucking care package.
How the fuck do they got another jet?
I got a jet.
Fuck off. So do they.
Honey.
So do they.
I gotta switch to a heavy machine gun.
Fuck. Yeah, it's down.
It's down.
Did I hit that bitch with a drill charge? Blue crate.
They're in the junkyard.
Fuck.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Oh shit. Oh, it's just been yes. Keep.
Got my jet up.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Gotta get those tags.
Another finish move. Oh, they saved him. There's a tag upstairs. Get the tags, get the tags.
Fuck out of here, dude. Only down by 5.
Okay.
Junkyard. Let's go, all 3 of us together.
One right there, my grenade.
Got him. Good shit.
Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about. Clutched at the end, cuz.
This is how
We do it. This is how we
This
do
is how
it.
we do it.
On a Saturday night. And we feel alright.
Alright.
Look, I took his gun too. Oh, they didn't show it. Fucking take your gun too, cuz.
Hide your wife.
Hide your kids, hide your guns. They taking everything out here.
That's what happens when I'm not lagging.